we are going to Ben Pate, who will show us something about FediForum's workflows beyond ActivityPub with Emissary and Bandwagon.
Hey guys, I'm really happy to be here showing off some progress to Bandwagon and Emissary. It's something that I started with last FediForum, and I want to show you a little bit of progress. So I think you can see my screen now, Johannes?
Yes, we
Awesome.
can.
And you can see my countdown timer. So this is Bandwagon. It is an open source app that's built on Emissary. That's all been driven by what musicians and other recording artists say that they want for their social profiles. Anyone can host a Bandwagon server, and I'm going to be hosting this one for the foreseeable future as kind of a flagship and hopefully as a paid service at some point in the future. This is just a simple directory right now. As we get more people online, we're going to be building out a lot of other interesting ideas for discovery and search, even some of those that have come up in FediForum itself. So I wanted to show you these guys because they're my favorites. So this is a part of someone's Bandwagon profile, and they should be pretty easy to figure out. Everyone can have their own, they can post their albums, they can post band updates, they can post show dates, and they can post cross links to other sorry guys, they can post cross links to other social profiles that they've got. The really cool thing is that everyone has their own branding and they have their own colors. And the whole point of this is to make someone's profile look really good. We want to make the bands look good and let them show their fans who they are. And everyone has some really crazy colors out there. And one important part of Bandwagon is to make sure that no matter what colors you're picking, we can still make it usable and readable. So the system is actually picking text colors for you so that you can pick the main branding, but then it will still look good for everybody. In addition, there's this audio player, which I need to turn it on. Good, I've got that on. There's an audio player that you can just play and stream audio right in your profile. These guys are so cool. If I can do anything but just have everyone start playing Moonshine Brigade, I think this will have been a success. So I'm really pleased with how this whole thing works. And the thing is, there's a lot of other systems out there that already do this kind of thing, right? But Bandwagon is native on the Fediverse. So what that means is that I can come to my favorite band and I can follow them. And I can follow them from a Mastodon account if I want. I can follow them from really pretty much anywhere. We've implemented remote follows, which I think is super important in this use case because we're hoping that people find a band on their band profile page. This is from Emissary. This is the Emissary follow page. We can show up in your social feed, that's great, but chances are you're probably on this website poking around in some directory going to follow them. Similarly, I can share if I want from my Mastodon account, which is awesome. And I can do a lot of other things here, like I can like them as well, which is a really, oh, hold on. Oh, this is embarrassing. See, it's embarrassing because I should be able to do that, but I can't. I can't go to any other website right now and hit like because we don't support that on the Fediverse, and that's a problem. So this is the big thing that I've been adding into Emissary, the ability to go to someone's page and hit like, and then have that actually work. And it's a pretty simple handshake. It's the same sort of thing that we just did for remote follows, for shares, but it's been generalized and expanded out to fit any kind of activity use case. And so I think what I want to talk about today is how the Fediverse is no longer individual apps that are all floating out there amongst themselves. It's an integrated system. And so what I'd like to talk about with everyone today is how do we make an integrated system that will work just like any other social network, but will still function in a distributed way. I think that is my time, and I don't have anything else important to say. So, Johannes, Can you do something really cool with my remaining 28 seconds?
Now you're putting me on the spot. I'm gonna ask you how you implemented the remote follow, and is there some kind of FEP or some kind of thing that you would like to more applications to implement?
Absolutely. I posted this as an FEP called Activity Intents, and I actually blew past that in my script because I'm super nervous. But it's really just a generalized form of what we're already doing for remote follows, the old O status protocol. And this is the day that I start to beg all other developers to maybe take a look at this and implement this.